Let's cut right to the chase right here, everybody. If you're in crypto, we do a lot of technical analysis on this YouTube channel. I'm about to go over content creation, content creator, crypto content creator growth in the YouTube space and how it relates to these charts and the cycles. This really is, everybody. Stick around and watch this and just look at a couple of examples I'm going to show you. This really is, I think, going to be one of my most useful data points that I use in the next just bull run, the growth of crypto, the next phase. And it kind of is a secret data point just because I don't really see anybody talking about this at all. And it just occurred to me, this is really important. And when I say let's cut right to the chase, I'm going to show you examples, real-time examples of YouTube content creator, crypto content creator growth, how it relates to these charts. But this, we all know fundamentally, you don't want to buy here. You don't want to buy the top of bull markets, right? And you don't want to sell the bottom of bear markets. But the problem in crypto and the problem in investing, I think in general, is that so many people make the mistake. So many people do that because they're guided by emotion. Their emotions are really just running them. There's this fear of missing out up here, so they're buying. And case in point, this is a headline. New people are coming to crypto. This was November 29th, 2021. November 2021 was literally the top of the bull market. Those are the headlines that we were seeing. So this is very important to pay attention to this because this is a very clear guide of bottoms of bear markets, tops of bull markets. Now, check this out. Millennials, only about 30% of millennials are comfortable investing in crypto. Look at the date, September 29th, 2022. So now let's go see where September is. September right here. So uncomfortable investing in cryptos here at the bottom of a bear market and just the most people coming into cryptos at the top of a bull market. Are you starting to see the picture here? And this is something that just keeps repeating itself. And unfortunately, I don't think that's something that's going to change. It's not like I would like it to happen, but I don't think the masses all of a sudden are going to wake up and say, hey, I'm going to have some self-control with this, ignore emotions, and do this right this next time. I don't think that's going to happen. We need to pay attention to that. 60% of Americans see crypto investing as highly risky. This was December 13th, 2022. This was literally right around the bottom of the bear market. This is right around the 786 line, this macro bear market pullback area. Crypto is seen as risky. Crypto is risky in this environment. But I'll say this, it is way less risky to buy crypto, and this isn't financial advice, this is what I've learned. This is how I see it. Way less risky to buy crypto in bear market lows than it is in bull market highs. And this plays into the data that we see from a sentiment perspective. So let me show you what I mean here. I'm going to go to accounts. I originally was going to show you exactly who these accounts belong to, but I started recording and I was like, maybe they wouldn't like that. But I just want to note something, and this is a YouTube chart of YouTube subscriber growth. Now, notice the dates, May 2020, September 2020 down here, kind of sideways, right? Not much happening. And then right here, you see right before January of 2021, this uptick starting to happen in growth. What was right before January 2021? This is a top YouTube account. Many of you probably very aware of who this YouTube account belongs to. What was happening then? Well, bull market high of 2017 to the bear market low 2018, what was happening was this. Here's January 2021 right here, and here is November 2020. The bull market doors being broken. This was a data point that we tracked. I remember doing the video. Just this was a huge macro confirmation, a bull market confirmation. And what happened right here on YouTube, crypto content creator accounts reflected it perfectly. This is an explosive growth. And you see on the chart right here, explosive growth for this YouTube channel going all the way to right around January 2022. And then it just fell off. Look at that. Look at that YouTube growth. This is literally just people flying into crypto. This is what it looked like. New people coming into crypto just from a different standpoint. This isn't on-chain metrics. This isn't all of these other data points we look at. This is crypto content creator growth. This is just people on social media interacting and coming into the space. That's what it looks like. That's what a bull market looks like. And then you see it fall off January 2022. And we go to the chart. What was January 2022? Well, we can go right here. Here it is. It really is the beginning of the bear market. This is people just lost interest right when maybe they should have started paying attention and started kind of getting ready to track the fall into the bear market. And the opposite happened. Everybody just started leaving in January. And here's another huge account. And this is the same type of chart. You can just see the same type of chart playing out here. And it's January 2021. Right around November, you can just see that uptick and just huge growth, and then starting to decline January 2022. Now, I want to note something. If we go up and we go to a different piece of data here, it really shows you day by day subscribers. You see where this little dash is. In a bull market, this is like 1,000 new subscribers, I think 10,000 new subscribers. And right now you can just see day after day just sitting at zero. There's just stagnant growth. And if I go up in my back office in YouTube, you can actually just see the same thing is true for my YouTube channel, and maybe even more so because my channel's not as big as those other ones. But the growth of my channel, you can just see it looks like in January, 921 subscribers, and you can just see this graph. You know, I think some days even losing subscribers. Look at that, negative 49, right? So on the side of the screen, negative 49. So it's very just stagnant. It's sideways right now, sideways growth. And if it was the start of a bull market right now, this would not be the case in terms of these charts and what we're looking at. And the biggest thing that I want to mention is this. When we start seeing growth on these stats and these charts again, I think the most important thing for me will be to go back to the Bitcoin chart and see where we are in these crypto cycles from a data perspective. And if you look back, are we going to be in this kind of just stagnant environment for, months and months until post 2024 halving, like similar previous cycles? Or is Bitcoin going to start doing something different in terms of breaking and diverging from previous cycles and just doing something crazy that we haven't seen before? And if something crazy like that happens, one big thing I will be paying attention to are things like this. Are new people coming into crypto, and is it evident on charts like this, which is crypto content creators growth? Sentiment, social sentiment is such a huge indicator. I don't think we pay attention to enough in terms of what is happening in crypto and how it applies to these crypto cycles. So I wanted to share that with you. I think it's useful insight. It's something I'm going to be paying very close attention to. I can just say this, in the last bull market, and this was very new for me, to go through what my channel was going through, just this growth day after day in the last bull market. I'm going to be paying attention to trying to deliver good data and good content, but I'm also going to be paying attention to the emotional aspect of it and really trying to focus on, well, what's going on here? Digging into that and trying to really put that story together, because as you can see on these charts, it really did play into what happened in the last bull cycle. So I hope that's useful data for you. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, hit that like. I'll see you in the next video. God bless.